So hi friends, welcome to Tech for Tips. So in this video I will gonna show you how you can install your Python software in your mobile. So in the previous video I have shown you how you can install the termux, and within it you can install the Python by writing the Linux terminal commands. So in this video I will gonna show you how you can install Python very easily, and means you have to do not write many codes, and simply you have to install a application and it will look like fully Python, and you have to write there the code of the Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
I really think you should.
So friends, you have to install the application. So for installing the applications, we need to go to the Play Store, and after going to Play Store, you should search for here Python 3. Okay, and hit search, and after that it will come this Python 3, ideally for Python 3 this will come. So if you don't want to install like this, so I will give the link of this application in my description box. You can head up to that and you can check the application, and you have to just install this application, and after that you have to open it, and after opening it you will get a simple Python coding structure where you can write all the codes. And suppose I am writing print tech, I'm writing. Okay, and after that I'm just, so for running this command you have to just go to this here. It is go to here, and after that you should click this option, and after that you can see your option or your code will run. Okay, so it is a very simple video. You can try out this, and if you enjoy this video, please hit a like button and do share with your friends so that your friends can also download the software and can enjoy with running Python. Those who don't have computer or a laptop, you can try Python here also, because it fully looks like Python, and it will accept all the code which are written in the Python, and it is a very small application. You can download it within some MB only. So thank you friends for watching.